I'm an engineer. I don't care about IP. Why should I care? That's what I thought too, until I came across IPTSE. After enrolling with the IPTSE, I learned that engineering is more than just building great solutions. It's also about knowing how to safeguard my creations. If you want to stand out of the crowd, get the IP Edge. Register now for Intellectual Property Talent Search Examination, first of its kind IP Olympiad. For more information, check out www.iptse.com.